my name is Joseph Fernandez. In this video I would like to show you how to create users. Okay, so let's go. The first one is admin. I want to put the same password for every single one, so I don't want to put anything in there because it's only approved. Here is I want to put in admin. Select and role, for example, global administrator. Okay, select. So this is the global administration and is in the group the admin IT. Okay, so review and create, and that's it. This is the first one. Now normal users. Same password for everybody. Same one. If I want to add the group here is group in general 1 without any role. Review and create. Single user. Okay, 3 users. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 users. Okay, now I want to show you the groups in there. All the groups I got it is that one. Okay, so admin is 1 user only, is that one. General is only 1. Okay, but I want to add another member is user 1.1. Yes, now I got 2 members in there. The same one in groups. All groups in general 2. I got 0 users, so I want to add the users in here, add members, users 2 and 2. Okay, select. Okay, now I got it. So that's it. I got everything in there. I got the groups, all groups with admin IT with 1 user, general with 2 users. Okay, and general 2 with 2 users. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.